Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update about the research internship program at IIM Mumbai, which earlier known as an NITI Mumbai. So when you will go to the official website of IIM Mumbai, here you can see one notification, and here it is talking about that they are looking for students to join their creative team for researchers for the role of data scientist, research associate, research assistant and research intern. Okay, the interns will be mentored by the director and senior professors of IIM Mumbai. Okay, now what is the key highlights? You can see on campus paid internship for a minimum period of 3 to 6 months, which would be extendable to 1 year based on the intern's performance. It can be extended. Mentorship by the director Professor Manoj Kumar Tiwari and research professor of IIM Mumbai. So this is also clearly mentioned. Collaborate with industry professionals and IIM Mumbai professors for ongoing consultancy projects. Now one very important thing here you can see कि you can explore yourself in the areas of machine learning, artificial intelligence and operation research in the domain of logistic and supply chain management, data analytics, warehouse operations, finance, okay, and all these are mentioned here. Guidance to interns who are preparing or looking to pursue higher education, means MS or PhD. If you are looking for this one, then also you will get here the guidance. Now one important thing is about the benefits and compensation. So compensation amount for the data scientist will be rupees 60,000 to 90,000 per month. For research associate 40,000 to 70,000 per month. For research assistant 20,000 to 50,000 per month. For research intern it will be 15,000 to 35,000 per month. Okay, other than this, on campus accommodation will be provided. Okay, after this one, after completion of this internship period, letter of recommendation and internship completion certificate will be provided to the students also. Compensation will be, okay, it's mentioned with the qualification. It can be depends on the qualification and experience of the candidates. Now if I am looking for this one contact information, here you can directly contact. This is the mail ID and the number is also mentioned here, or you can just visit directly the website of IIM Mumbai here. Okay, now pre-request is what they want, that any undergraduate student can apply here, so including all the engineering students, you guys can apply here. Graduates, postgraduates or working professionals who are preparing or looking to pursue higher education in the next few years, you guys can eligible here. Okay, advanced coding skills in Python is required. Excellent communication, presentation and problem solving skills also required. Working knowledge of linear programming, convex optimization, machine learning and deep learning algorithm is also required. Experience with related software will also be considered when reviewing applications. A student with previous research experience and publication will be preferred. Now what is the eligibility criteria? You can see here. For data scientist, post-graduation or PhD with advanced coding skills can apply here. For research associate, post-graduation or PhD can apply here. For research assistant, graduation, means here any engineering branch student can apply here. So in this case, if you are a fresher, okay, you are doing your, means you just completed your engineering, so you are graduate and you can apply as a research assistant. And if you are undergraduate, you are in your engineering only final year, third year, so in this case you can apply for the research intern, okay, as an undergraduate student. Okay, roles and responsibility also mentioned here, what you need to do. These are the benefits, so surely this is a very good thing. Project staff may receive HRE equivalent to 10% of their monthly stipend, so that is also a good thing. So what you need to do, register yourself, okay, on IIM Mumbai website portal and send your resume to SMART. It's mentioned clearly. Okay, mention with the subject, you need to mention this one. For more details you can just check the official website also, and here it is mentioned applicants with a background in modeling, coding and simulation from highly ranked NIRF institutes such as IITs, IIMs and NITs are highly desirable for these positions. So for more updates you can just check directly this website, and this is a good opportunity. If you are in engineering, then also you can apply. If you already completed your engineering, then also you can apply here for a good experience at least. Alright guys, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos. Thank you.